Let's talk paid ads, because when you need jobs now, waiting for SEO can feel slow. The good news, you don't need a huge budget, you need a smart funnel. Start with one high-intent offer, free diagnostic with repair, same-day screen replacement, or brake inspection special. Keep it specific. Next, run 2 campaigns. Google search for near me keywords and retargeting on Facebook, Instagram for anyone who visited your site but didn't call. Your search ad should match the keyword exactly. Headline with the service plus city, a benefit like same day, and a trust signal like 5-star rated or warranty included. Send clicks to a dedicated landing page, not your homepage. The page needs 1 clear promise, 3 bullets, a short form, click to call, and proof, photos plus reviews. Track every call. Use call tracking numbers and ask new customers. What made you choose us? Then shift budget to the best keywords and ads. Most shops lose money because they run too many ads at once. Start small, measure, and scale what converts. Pro tip, schedule ads heavier during decision hours, early mornings and lunch, then reduce spend overnight to protect budget